Number 7, 3 points. Number 20. David Above by number 20. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 16. Tumira. Wala. Pushing foul by number 10. Flacco. Number 10, first personal foul. Then first team foul. Ng orange team. Number 24. Pass to number 7. Tumira press. Wala. Rebound by number 7 rin. Tumira pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin niya. Tumira. Number 2 by number 7. Number 23, pass to number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 23. Tumira ng 3. Wala rin by number 24. Pass to number 7. Number 7, 19. Number 7, tumira. Foul. Pushing foul by number 12. 2 free throws by number 7, 15. Second personal foul by number 12. And second team foul by orange team. First throw, wala. Second throw, wala pa rin. Because may number. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Same ball. One second sila bago na itawid yung bola, ha? 1 second. Number 12, 1-0. Number 12, nice team by number 13. Pass to number 7, 15. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Tumira. Pero na tracking si number 1. Number 10. Number 10, the next wala. Rebound by number 1. Number 24. Winning the ball by number 24. Number 24, pass to number 7, repeat. The next number. Number 23, 3 points. Number 12. Still by number 7, repeat. Number 26. And sportsmanlike foul by number 23. Time out. Time out. Orange team. Sit for 3 minutes for a sportsmanlike foul. So free throws by number 23 plus ball position. First row is good. Second row is good again. Same ball. Score 58-44 in favor of Orange team. Seven minutes and 48 seconds in the last and final quarter. Tumira ng tres, number 23, 3 points. Number 6, again, pass to number 10. Number 10. Steve by number 23. Number 23, pass to number 7 and 3. Number 7. Giving the ball to number 7. Pass to number 23. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Orange ball. 7 minutes and 16 seconds. 58-47, 11.3 by Orange team. Number 38. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Ay, mga number 24. Number 7. Number 7, between. Number 7. Nag-react sa pagpali ng number 38. Number 6. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Nag-react. Wala. Ay, mga number 24. Holding foul by number 6. Separate. Number 24, number 29 in, number 10, and number 12 out. Okay, number 16 foul, number 16. First personal foul by number 16, 13 foul by number 18, Team Black. Good quarter by number 24. Good steal by number 24. Number 17. Number 7. Number 7. Kaya, wala. Number 24. Lead pass by number 29. Number 29. Kaya, good quarter by number 29. 6 minutes and 15 seconds in the last and final quarter. 16 to shoot. Pass number 7 to 3. Tumira, good quarter by number 7. Sabre. Number 6, again. 5 minutes and 52 seconds in the fourth quarter. Tumira ng tres, wala. Rebound by number 24. Number 24, pass number 6, Gandaya. Foul by number 9. Which foul by number 9? Two free throws by number 6. Third personal foul by number 9. First team foul ng Team Black. 62-49 in favor of Orange team. Second row. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Perimeter shot. Good pass to number 8. 5 minutes and 20 seconds sa fourth quarter. Black ball. 5 minutes and 14 seconds in the last and final quarter. Time out, Black team. Score 62-51, 11-point lead by Orange team. Ang tip. Isa na lang po, time out ng Black team ha. Ang Orange team, tatlo pa. Black ball. 5 minutes and 14 seconds in the last and final quarter. 62-51. Lead by Yellow Orange team. Number 7. Tumira ng 3. Wala rin ko ng number. Same ball. Black ball, sorry, black ball. Orange ball, orange. Number 30. Steve by number 7. Number 7, pass to number 8. Pass number 8. 3 seconds violation.
Overpass.
Sumobra sa pangalan. Okay. Number 6. Pass number 29. Marcelino. Tumira ng 3 na Marcelino. Number 29. 3 points. Number 23. Pass to number 8. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. I see the number 7. I see number 7. Tumira the ball by number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 8. Wala. Number 16. Number 6. Number 6. Tumira ng 3. Timeout, Black team. Score 68-51. 17-point lead by Orange team. Time remaining 3 and 45 seconds in the final last quarter. Number timeout na po ang team lang, ha? Ang Orange team may tatlo pa. Back to the building. Number 6, pass to number.
Yes.
Number 29, 3 points. Back-to-back 3 by number 29.
Umuulan ng 3.
3 na raw pala. Number 24. 3 minutes and 70 seconds. Number 24. 92. Good for 2 by number 23. Number 6, again. Number 6, pass to number 10. Back to number 6, again. Number 6, Lobert. Good for 2 by number 6. 2 minutes and 52 seconds. In the last and final quarter. 73-53, 20 points lead by Orange team. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds shot now. Number 8, Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Tumira na 3. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 24. 15 to shoot. Number 20, Tumira. Wala pa rin. Same ball. 2 minutes and 18 seconds to play in the fourth and final quarter. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 5 Good for two by number 24. Blackball. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Number 24. Number 24. Next number 6. Pass to number 23. Tumira 3. Wala. Ito by number 24. Number 24. Take the ball by number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Number 29, 3 points. 40 na lang na yan. 40 na lang na yan. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 8. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Ay mga number 6. Pass it. Number 24. Number 24. Tumira. Wala. Ay mga number 8. Pass to number 23. Isinaya by number 23. Good ball to by number 23. Seconds. Last 55 seconds. 15 to shoot. 76-57. Favor of Orange team. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tumira ng rest. Wala rin mga number 16. Number 38. Tumira ng rest. Wala rin mga number 29.
Tumira ng 3.
Number 29.